Speaking of audience, we always have to know, who are we serving, right? Of course, we're probably serving a client, but ultimately they're serving an audience, and that means so are you. And so, who are they? What do they want and need? Where do their sensitivities likely lie? We think in terms of psychographics, demographics. We really want to try to paint a picture of who this audience is. Ideally, you're crafting composite personas. Give them a stock footage face. Give them a name. That is a composite character that is a representative of the audience that you're speaking to and serving with this creative project. So who are they? What should be avoided when you're talking to them? What do they believe before we tell them anything? So you really use them to learn and confirm very important elements and aspects of the audience that you're speaking to. And then also think in terms of a secondary audience. So if you're outside of the primary audience that you're really focused on primarily, who else might be served or spoken to through this creative project?